Happy New Year's, everyone. Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at what to expect as we move through the first week and a half of 2026. And today we began with lots of sunshine. We have seen the high clouds begin to filter into the region this afternoon, but it's still rather pleasant outside. Temperatures over most of the area have warmed into the upper 60s to low 70s, and we only get warmer tomorrow. Here's the weather pattern as we're watching a couple of minor upper level disturbances, one approaching West Texas, another one moving through the southwestern U.S. These are going to flatten out this ridge somewhat and basically move to the north of the ArkLaTex in the next couple of days. And the second one will push a little bit of a cooler air mass into the ArkLaTex here this weekend. You can see that cold front developing. Area of low pressure moves to our north during the day tomorrow. The first disturbance could squeeze out a little bit of light rain during the night tonight over especially the northern half of the area. And then tomorrow we'll see this cold front kind of ease into the area, and it will basically provide us with a bit of a warm-up ahead of the front, and then that cooler air sneaks in behind the front for a few days. So here's a look at Robin's Stereo Futurecast, and you can see that little bit of light rain, which will be highest as far as the chances over the northern sections of the areas. We will stay cloudy tonight. Tomorrow, it'll be rather windy, as you can see by those big red arrows, as temperatures tomorrow will likely warm into the upper 70s to low 80s over parts of the areas. We will see plenty of sunshine for much of the day. That frontal system will ease southward, and you can see the wind shifting around to the north and northeast tomorrow night, as we probably will see the return of some clouds as that happens. And then Saturday we start with clouds, we end with some sunshine, as temperatures on Saturday will be in the middle 60s. Longer range, there is some hope that we will see some rain, but the dry weather will continue until we get to the basically end of next week. You can see this disturbance, which is going to usher in the cooler air. That pushes on through. Upper level ridging will basically settle into the middle of the country. That will warm us up heading into the first of next week. And then heading into the end of next week, you can see this southwesterly flow setting up as that ridge moves more towards the east. We'll see a second disturbance and a series of these disturbances, which will give us the chance of rain as we move into next weekend. Now, as far as rainfall potential, look at the blend of models here in the next 10 days, and you can see the numbers have increased since yesterday. Yesterday at this time looked like a quarter to a half an inch. Now it appears as if most of the area will see at least an inch, with some locations approaching 2 inches, and it could be more. Look at some of the individual models here. These numbers have also gone up, especially over the northern sections of the area where we could see 2 to over 3 inches up towards the Queen. And you can see it is looking rather promising pretty much area wide that we stand a good chance of maybe getting that needed inch of rainfall. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a mostly cloudy sky. Very small chance for a shower mainly over the northern sections of the area, as we'll see temperatures that will basically fall into the upper 40s to low 50s north and the middle 50s south. 57 tonight in Shreveport, 55 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow, looking at sunshine returning, as it will be windy and warm. 80 tomorrow in Shreveport, 78 in Marshall, and 75 degrees in Texarkana. Your 10-day forecast shows that we will see the dry weather continue. There's that small weekend cool down. Warmer air returns next week, and then we will see the continuation of the chance of rain from basically Wednesday night through next weekend, as daytime highs during the weekend will cool off, as we'll see highs fall into the upper 50s by the end of next weekend.